Hello, everybody. I hope you can hear me now, right? Jeez. Jeez. Can you all hear me now? Can you all hear me now? Right? Can you all hear me now? Say yay. If you can hear me, say yes. Can you all hear me now? Say yes. Can you hear me now? Say yes. I can hear you. Right? Can you hear me now? Who is here today? Let's see who's going to hear me first. Okay, good. All right. So, Richard, thank you so much because you are the first one to say, no, you can't hear me. And I'll tell you why you can't hear me, you know. So if I need to do a YouTube live stream, don't I need to click live? Live streaming? If I remember to do that. So I was talking and I haven't clicked live streaming yet. Hey, what a mess. What a mess. Now you can hear me. Good. At least I can click it now and then you can hear me. Great stuff. All right, so yes, who is here today? Let's see. I can see some of our big guns are here today. So Jayes, hello Jayes, you're good actually. All right, Flanders, you are the first one to check in today. That's brilliant. We miss you though. We didn't see you the last few days. What's happening? You gonna spend money on the beach, right? You You go on holiday, right? Hello, Jayes. You're right. Good. Executive Takalani, good to see you. Okoli, good to see you again. Yes. You don't have to wait for long. We are here now. Good stuff. Blair. How are you? Richard, good to see you. Ifine, great stuff. Good to see you. Adiwale, thank you so much. I'm good. Given all the situations, you know, lockdown, everything. So we can't complain. We're going to take it as it comes. Catherine Wangari. Hello, Catherine. That name sounds a little bit familiar, newish. Are you first timer, Catherine? Because we're going to help you if you know that you're a first timer. Executive. I like being executive director, executive chairman, executive portfolio. Mohammedu, nice to see you again. Musa, is this your first time? Welcome, Musa. Oh yeah, you are in Amman, UAE. Okay. I hope you had good time there. Lot of sunshine, right? Ephraim, hello Ephraim. Temi, is this your first time? Temi, how are you, Temi? First time. I can see that. You're welcome, right? So enjoy your stay today. Have fun. Learn as much as you can. Bando, hello Bando. Okay, good stuff. Web development. Are you developing web services, web development, internet server, everything? This is the technical guru, web development technical guru. Hello, good to see you all. Hope you've been keeping well. So, where are we from today? I know a lot of us already, but if you want to tell us where you are from, I know someone is from Dubai. Crypto, good to see you again, Crypto. And also we got some veterans. You know, we have veterans. And okay, so Catherine, it's your third time. Good stuff. You're welcome. And now we got some real veterans now on the Telegram channel. I'm telling you that now, because some people have been very good and have been very helpful on the channel, on the group, Telegram group. They help a lot of people. So that makes people very comfortable coming into the group. They know that they're not going to be made fun of and say, hey, newbie. Go to babypips.com. What a dumb questions, you know? So we don't see things like that in the group. So people really take time to answer the questions, which is very, very good. All right, crypto is from Florida. Florida, the city of sunshine. Oh, Espanol. So Bando is Espanol. Hello, sunshine, Spain. Good. Ah, Jayes is Crawley. Is that southeast? Is that southeast or Crawley? Yeah. Crawley must be southeast, yeah? All right. Okay, Musa from Nigeria. Good to see you, Musa. Excellent. So today is Monday. Today is a Monday. It's the start of the week. So where peeps are made. Peeps are created and made. Okay. All right. UK. Hello. Solo travel bag. Are you on to Dubai? Okay. This afternoon you're going to travel to the land of Forex. Okay. You're going to go land of Forex this evening or this morning, whatever the time is with you there. All right. Okay. India. UK. India. Good. Executive from South Africa. Good to see you. Shashman. Actor. Good man. Quack. Quack. Good. Welcome from Saudi Arabia. Saudi Arabia. Is that the first time we're having somebody from Saudi Arabia? Say hello to the kingdom for us, please. The Saudi kingdom, the great kingdom. Say hello to them there for us, please. Yeah? Bando, first timer. Okay? Don't worry. Sit tight. You're going to learn a lot today. Okay. So, Catherine is from Nairobi, Kenya. Nairobi, nice city. And Kennedy is from Nigeria. Thank you so much, everybody. It's been lovely to welcome all of you today. So now we are going to start our ball rolling. So shall we start? Okay, so where do we start today? Okay, I'm just going to pop anything into the chat and see where we're going to start. Should we start from? Okay, there's one there, Euro GBP. We don't normally start with that. So let me remove the other time regions that we're not working on yet, but we will soon get there. Okay, we will soon get to US session and Asian session. But for now, let's deal with Europe first. Let us deal with Mr. Europe. All right, so maybe. All right, let's start with USD Swiss francs first today. Let's go to the land of the Swiss, the Switzerland. Yes, a nice place. Bando is a nice place. Good stuff. Okay, excellent. So now we're looking at what? What are we looking at? We are looking at the US dollar versus the Swiss francs, the Switzerland currency, which is CHF. Some people call it chef. Some people call it Swiss. It depends on what you want to call it, but it's called USD Swiss francs, USD chef. All right, so we've seen this now. We've seen this, so we've seen the box which is drawn for us here, automatically drawn. And let's see what happened. You can see earlier in the morning we tried to break that high of the box. I believe unsuccessfully. We will check it out. And then we move down. That is, we go bearish for a moment. And we see a lot of pushback. And where do they stop again? They will stop at that resistance line. That line we're going to draw now. Let's draw the line. Let's draw a line at the high of the hour, that box, and let's put another line at the low of the box. Okay, so the high of the box, that's the high of the box, and the low of the box. Yeah, so what happened is we had a move down, okay, and then we pushed up price again up, and finally we break, and then off we go down from there, downhill from there, okay, downhill from there. So you can see the total action today is we're probably going to get a sell here, and we're going to get another sell from here. There's no buy at all today in this currency, but don't take my word for it. Let us check it out. I like evidence-based trading. Mohammed, hello, good evening from Yola. Okay, welcome from Yola. Good to see you. All right, so let's do evidence-based trading. There is no magic in trading. It's all going to be worked out and see for yourself. All right, so ladies and gentlemen, I know if you are here for the first time, don't worry, but I want to put my usual student to the test. I want to test them quick, fire quick test. Right, fingers on the buzzer, please. Fingers on the buzzer. Which one is the trigger candle? 1, 2, 3. Which one is the trigger candle? 1. This bearish candle is number 1, number 2, number 3. Fingers on the buzzer. Who get it first? 1, 2, or 3? Let's see that. Fingers on the buzzer. Who is the best? Who is gonna get it right? Okay, so executive come back with 2. Okay, executive, you came back with 2, right? Okay, Jayes, you came back with 2. MT Tool with 2. Pritesh 2. Die Hard 2. Catherine 2. Okay, well done, Catherine. Your third time, but now you're getting it right. That's good. Good to know. 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 Excellent. So your third time, but you're getting into the action, right? Okay, Mohammed 2, Kennedy 2, Ephraim 2, the big man, the Mr. Flanders of Dubai. You said 2. Okay, we shall see. Kennedy 2, Cozy 2. All right, great stuff. Why is it no one is saying 1 and no one is saying 3? Come on, guys. Come on, ladies. Let's see somebody say 1. No one wants to put his head on the parapet, eh? Why not? Why not just pick it out? Okay, all right. Ladies and gentlemen, right? Don't let me push you to what you don't want to do. All right. So if you tell me your answer is 1, definitely you are going to be wrong, because that box, that candle is still touching that line. Okay, so definitely you are wrong. If you say to me your answer is number 2, could it be right? Yes, of course, it's completely right. You are completely right. And if you tell me it's number 3, no. Who's going for half 1? No, that's not the original one. Executive, that is raised to the power of 1. No. We don't want that. We don't want to raise it to the power of 1. All right. So this one is touching the line, so it's not. So number 2 is definitely our candle. Okay. Let me take this time then to explain to the new people, because I think this is a very good time to explain to them. Okay, so let me make sure that this is at the right spot. Okay, this is at the right spot. Okay, all right, and let's make sure this is also at the right spot. Okay, it's at the right spot. Right. So now we can see that after we have drawn our box, now we are looking for a candle that will come outside of the box. We can see that these 4 candles, they are outside of the box. Part of them are outside of the box, but they are of no use to us, because we want something that is completely out of the box, not touching the line any longer. It will be completely out. The high, the low, the close, and the open all the prices of a particular candle will be completely out. Okay, as you can see, this particular candle, some part of it is out, some part is in. The next one, part of it in, part of it out. The next one, the same thing. The next one, the same thing. And all this one, they were inside. This one, a little bit of it is out. This next one, part of it is out. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the first candle. This is the first candle that is completely detached, completely outside. That's why we identify it as our trigger candle. That is where we then put our trade, our sell trade. So if we are going to sell, the candle must be below the lines. If we are going to buy, the candle must be formed completely outside of the top line. Okay? Good. I hope the new people has got it now. So we can move with a high speed. Jet speed, they call it. Yeah? So now let's put our sell line. So we are going to sell at the close of this candle here. So that's our sell line here. Let's make that a thin line. Okay, so that's our sell line. Okay, as we know, when you sell or you buy a currency pair, you got to set two prices. One, you got to set the stop loss, and also you got to set the take profit target. Okay, so the most important thing to set is the stop loss first. So let's go for it. Let's set the stop loss. Hey, let's go for it. Set the stop loss. Oh, stop loss is important. Don't forget. So now the stop loss of a sell will be the high line, the highest of the hour. That is the stop loss for this sell price, for this sell order. Okay, so if you are selling, put your stop loss at the top here. But if you are buying, if you are selling, yeah, stop loss is at the top here. But if you are buying, let's say it was break above and you bought somewhere here, this lower line is going to be your stop loss. That's clear, right? So the next question is, what is our target? What's our TP? What's there for me? What am I going to make? Stop loss is not going to do me any good if there's no take profit target. All right, so let's define the take profit target. So the take profit target is simply the size of this box here. Okay, this box itself is the hour between it's 1 hour between 7 and 8 a.m. GMT. 7-8 a.m. GMT. Okay, that's when we draw that box, and we got indicator to draw it for us. I'll show you that later on, but first let's measure the take profit target. So take profit target for this box that looks so big but it's not actually big is 9.5 pips. So let's round it up to 10 pips. Okay, 9.5 or 10, whatever. So now the question is, now do we get, we sold from here, we're looking for 9.5, 10 pips. Let's see how many pips we got. Okay, so we are not there yet. You can see that's 7 pips. Okay, that is 7 pips. So we aren't there yet. Okay, so we didn't hit our TP, remaining a little bit. We reversed again. Our stop loss is here. As I've advised before, you might add 1 or 2 pips just to keep your stop loss away from this line, maybe 1 or 2 pips, somewhere around there. So you can see that we were safe, even though your hands is in your mouth. You know, during this trade, if you took this trade, you'll be fearful and say, hey, this thing is getting closer and closer to my stop loss. Shall I close it? Shall I not? Okay, but as I said before, if you have hit a 10 pip profit earlier here, up to 10 pip profit, don't let it go anywhere near the stop loss. But I'm only saying because now you haven't hit your 10 pip yet. It was 7 pips. So, and I don't want people to be closing their trade prematurely at 3 pips or 2 pips. No. So, but we were safe, right? So now we get another chance. So the price we sold here, it took us a roller coaster, but we were safe and we came down. Okay, now we need to know what is the total profit we made from this trade. Okay, so we sold from that line you can measure the line from anywhere. So far you are still on the line. It doesn't matter which side you are. Okay, so up to here we got maximum of 60. Let's call it 70 to make it easy for us. So 70. Okay, and let's say this was a 10 pip box size, and we got 70 pips. Okay, mathematicians, arithmeticians, the super professors of emeritus in the greatest university of the world, can you rescue us tonight? So we got 70 pips, and our TP target is 10. TP1 is 10. So how many take profit can we get from that? Anyone? So TP1 is 10 pips. All right, executive, TP7. Good stuff, good stuff. Good. Anyone else? It looks like executive has some special way to get to the answer very quick. What is the strategy you are using there? What's the catch? What is the secret? All right, Kennedy, you followed up 70p. That's correct. That's correct. 70p. Sure. And we have said before, yes, Giants also 70p. So we said before, we really don't know how long it might take, how many TP we might hit. So initially you might have been hoping for TP1 or TP2. But now we have a lot of TPs on the table, up to 70 Ps. But you don't know earlier whether it's going to be up to 70 Ps. All right. So what I've encouraged everybody to do is to think for the best and also hope for the best. All right. Plan for the best and hope for the best. So if you know it is possible to get a TP7, what are you going to do? If you have a magic ball that tells you today you are hitting TP7, what are you going to do? How will you prepare for that? I think I've given you guys an indicator, a super trend indicator, because you know this is a great trend now. Even though it's on 5 minutes, if you put a super trend indicator here, you see the super trend indicator will just follow this trade. Will follow it right to the corner here. It will probably take you out maybe around here. So you will not get all the TP7, but at least you get up to TP6. So super trend indicator or ATR stop indicator will help you to trail it. You've got a great entry, and then you've got opportunity to trail your position. That's one method. The other method is to have multiple positions open at the same time. So instead of going all at once with a single standard lot, you can split it into 0.1 maybe 5 times or 0.2 5 times. So you set all your trades. So you set one here. That's you have 7 trades here. So first trade, that's the take profit target TP1 example. Second position, take profit target 2. Third position, take profit target. The fourth position, take profit target. The fifth position, take profit target. The sixth position, take profit target. The seventh position, take profit target. Although you don't know that all this thing will happen, but if you prepare ahead, and let's say, you know what, you went into 7 position, remember, not 7 individual position to raise up your commitment. No. If your commitment was to trade one standard lot, or your commitment was to trade 0.05, then divide it to 5 places, 0.1, 0.01, 0.01, 0.01, and make 5 attempts. So the first trade will hit a stop loss here. We hit a TP here. So thank you so much, Mr. TP1. Okay. TP1 gone. So what you do, you move your stop loss back to where the TP1 is left. TP2 gone. Say thank you, Mr. TP2. You move your stop loss to where Mr. TP1 has left. TP3 gone. You say thank you, Mr. TP3. You move your stop loss to where Mr. TP3 left, and so on and so forth. You got the gist now. So that gone, you move your stop loss. So this one is a manual trailing of your position. Okay, so you trail your position manually until your last position is done. Okay, when that is gone, when the number 5 is gone, so actually this is number 6, you move your stop loss down there, and you can see, because your stop loss is here now, the price reverses back and close you out. So this is the last TP6 you are able to hit. You will not be able to get this last one. You might actually, because you know what, before we see the reverse, you already closed your trade before the reverse happened. So most likely you might even get that TP6 as well, or even TP7. All right, so that is how you can do that manually if you want to trail your position. Otherwise, if you don't want to do it manually, you can just plot in a super trend indicator. It will assist you greatly. Okay, any question? Any question from anybody? Any question? Okay, any question? Executive, any question? Any question before we move on to the next one? Okay, so what do we check? What is happening? What do we check? USD Japanese yen, maybe. Let's check USD Japanese yen. Okay, let's delete all these old lines. The old lines, let them go. Okay, where are you? Oh, great stuff. Very similar situation now. Very similar situation with USD Japanese yen. Okay. Any signal? Okay, JP225. Okay, let's quickly do this Japanese yen and we move to JP225. So let me explain one more time, especially for our new people. Okay. Now let's make sure we place this one properly and this one also properly there. Okay. Now we see the box here. Let's move it, or let's leave it there. We see the box, the 1 hour box here. Okay. All right. After the box, we see price hit the high again, but we never got a buy position here. Okay. We never got a buy order here because our system didn't allow us to go into any trade. If you use some other breakout systems, they will just say, okay, when you hit the high, go long. When you hit when you break the resistance line, or when you break the top line, go long. We didn't say that. We didn't say when you touch the top line. No. We said when a candle is completely outside. It might take you an hour, 2 hours to find that candle that will be out there. But once you find it, then you are onto a trade. So these 3 candles didn't qualify because they are not completely outside. So we move on. We move on here until we go to this candle here. This is the first candle. Okay, let me make it bigger. All right, that's the first candle that is completely out of the box, as you can see. Okay. So that is where we go into our trade. So we sell at the close of that candle. Okay, we sell at the close of this candle. All right, so when we sell at the close of that candle, we are aiming for this TP1. Okay, so this TP1 will be as usual. Let's take the measurement. Oh, this good one this time, 13 pips. That's 13 pips or TP1. Our stop loss will be from here to there. That's our stop loss. Okay. Now let's see how many pips we are able to garner together for the day. 13 pips is our TP1. And from here we went into the trade. Let's see what we're able to get. We're able to get 107 pips. 107 pips out of 13 pips is our target, and we got 107. How many TP is that? Any mathematician in the house? I'm not. How many TP is that? So we're looking at 107 divided by 13. What's the answer? 107. Oh, TP what? TP 107 divided by 13. Oh, someone else. Oh, Jayesh has got it already. So I don't need to use my brain. I'm actually trying to figure out from my brain. I'm not using calculator. Because you can't see me, right? Okay, so Jayesh, thank you so much. 8 TP. Executive, thank you too. 8 TP. So the same thing we said before, you never know whether you are going to get 8 TP or 5 TP or 10 TP. You just went for the trade, so just hope for the best in case of this good day like this. Robert Ariku, welcome. Tabang, how are you? Good to see you. Remis. Yes, so stop loss. Yes, stop loss is bigger. Yeah, so stop loss is from here to there. So sometimes we might reject a trade when you see the risk reward ratio isn't great. But our target is not TP1 only. We target TP1, TP2 at the minimum. But if we don't get up to TP2, we will take TP1 and go home. So let's say your trade, let's say when you look out for the candle, the trigger candle, and you find it here, for example. My question is, will you take this trade? If your trigger candle is found here, will you take this trade? It's a question to everybody. Will you take that trade? Yes or no? I'm here. I'm listening. Yes or no? If here is your sell line, will you sell? Or will you pass it on and say, no, I'm not interested? Hello, Matthew. Matthew Joe. Good to see you. Nice to see you today. Okay, the Forex Apostle. That's correct. You are absolutely right. So at that time, from now we want to make sure that we use a time that is synchronized with everybody. So we don't want people to be confused about 8:59 or 9:59. So what we did then was to take 1 minute off 9 o'clock, take 1 minute off 10 o'clock. So the Forex Apostle, but now we streamline everything. It's 9 to 10. Easy peasy for everybody. Because some people might be confused of 8:59, 9:59. The difference is not that much. On some days, yes, you might have some difference. Maybe the last candle of the hour grew a little bit bigger, and so what? We are looking at the whole day to trade. So 1 minute candle will not make significant difference. So I think it's better for us to keep it 9 to 10. So we have been keeping it 9 to 10 now for quite a long time now. So good. I hope you got that. Tabang, how you doing? Yes. So no one's going to take the trade there. Yes. Yes. Good. You will wait for the test. Yes, that's true. That is true. Trading out spots. Oh, you don't trade currency. Okay. All right, Jayes. Thank you so much. Trading out spots, Jayes. Yes. Oh, you like my MACD, yeah? Thank you for the positive feedback. Trading hotspots. So the MACD on a long time frame helped you when trading indices. Okay. That MACD strategy has a view of close over 300,000 on YouTube. Actually, probably over 400,000. So it really helped a lot of people, It's a fantastic strategy. Okay, thank you so much. And it works like magic. All right. Yes, you can use ATR stop model. Yes, you can. You can. I'm not so sure whether I actually have it somewhere here. I could have thrown it straight away. I'm not sure if let me check. Let me check if I have it on insert indicators. I don't think I have it. Super trend. No, I don't have it here, and I don't have the ATR indicator as well. It's on the Telegram channel. Okay, that's a very good time to talk about Telegram. Felix, how are you? Good to see you. All right, so the indicator is actually on Telegram channel. Okay, right. So what we're gonna do is, let me post you the Telegram channel. So the ATR indicator, no, the super trend indicator is already on the Telegram channel. Okay, so when you get there, you click this link. Now click that link to the Telegram group and join. When you join the group, on the right hand side you will see the file session. You click the file and look for a file called sessions. For this particular indicator, it's called sessions. So let me show you. This indicator is called session indicator. You can see the name there. So look for sessions.mq4. When you download that, that is the box. Okay, that is the box. And if you want to use the super trend, it's also there. Download the super trend and apply it. It will help you to automatically trail this position, this trade. So you still be moving your stop loss, but it would guide you as to where your stop loss should be. Good stuff. Yes. ATR is very good. Yes. I have a in fact, let me show you a video, right? One of my video I did before on ATR, right? So let me see if I can show you that. YouTube, let's go to YouTube channel. Let's quickly go to my YouTube channel. I will show you the ATR. Okay, the ATR, where are you? Videos, so much of these videos. So much. Average true range, where are you? This is the average true range. Okay, so this is average true range. All right, we don't want to hear that. We don't want to hear this one. No, get out, get away. Faster. Let me see if I can see where we use it. Yes. So this is how the ATR will work. So you start here, it will start to trail your position. As you go along, it will try, and when your price touch it, then you're out. So the same thing here, you have a sell position here, it will trail it, and when the price touches your ATR stop, then you're out. So definitely you don't have to be thinking how many, if you went in with the one position, you can continue with that single position until you are taken out. And because we are talking of opportunities like this, where there is a trend, so that's why we think if you go for the ATR system that trails your position this way, it's going to be very helpful. Okay, so let me see if this is another so this is another example. That's the ATR. It's like super trend. This one is called ATR. So you can go to my video, go to YouTube channel, look for how to use ATR range, ATR, and then request for the indicator there, and I will post it to you. So loads of people have requested for it. You can see people have requested for it with their email address. I usually post it to them, email it to them. So this is a fantastic opportunity to lay your hands on one of the best trailing indicators in the market. Okay, thank you for that. Any question? Okay, You watch them every day. Thank you so much. Okay. Oh, you can't drag and drop it to the charts. It's so easy. Okay. After Flanders, okay, we can chat after, so I can assist if I can assist you. Okay. Anybody want to see anything else? You cannot apply the EA to the charts. Okay. ATR stop is just the indicator. Okay, it's just indicator, and I will just assist you in following this price. You will decide to enter the market yourself. ATR will just help you to follow the price. Okay, yes, I can. Why not? I could do that, definitely. Okay, so after this lesson, I'm going to post into the Telegram group the ATR, and maybe next time when we do practice, we might throw it into the chart and see how it looks. Okay, so remember, this is the Telegram group, so click there if you need to download that indicator, that powerful ATR indicator. Okay, DE30 JP225. Okay, let's try JP225. JP225. Here we go. Okay, is it today? Yeah, this is today. Okay, JP225. Let's see what it did today. Okay, JP225. Oh, remember. When we do JP225, we don't use Euro sessions. Okay, so let me stop drawing it on Euro session. Okay. We need to change it to Asian sessions. So, but I'm going to leave Europe session as well. So I'll just add Asian session with it. So we make it 2 sessions now. Asian session and the Euro session. Okay. Okay, to set the parameters. Okay, I'll show you. Okay, this is the parameters now. Okay. Somebody is asking how to set the parameters for Euros for the indicator. Okay. So this is how it was before. Okay, so we are only trading the Euro session. That box you were seeing before were 9 to 10. So you have Asian session if you want to see it on the chart, Europe session if you want to see it on the chart, and US session if you want to see it on the chart. Initially we were only looking at Euro session. We are not looking at anything else. So that's why we set the time to 9. Start time is 9. End time is 10. The color is purple. But for Asian session, even though we have time of 2 to 3, we said the color is none. So that's where it's not showing. Same thing to the US. It's not showing because the color is set to none. Okay. But now because we want to try Asian instrument, which is JP225, we're gonna turn this one on. Let's put it on. Let's get it on this one. Okay. We're giving it Sadu Brown. Okay, I hope we can see Mr. Sadu. Mr. Sadu. So Flanders, who is touching Flanders market? Man, Flanders, I think he owns the JP225. JP225 belongs to Flanders. Is the CEO of JP225. Oh my goodness. What's going on today, JP225? It's not that let's put our box. Oh, I don't like this color, man. It looks like a reddish color. Anyway, let's leave it. All right, so that's JP225. As you can see, it wasn't great today. There was no trend today. JP225 has been in a range market. In fact, a very narrow range. If you look at the range today, is between here. That's the lowest of the day, and that's the highest of the day. In fact, if you have an indicator to trade range, this is an opportunity. So when it goes higher, you sell it. When it comes lower, you buy it. It goes higher, you sell it. It comes lower, you buy it. So it's in a range. So breakout doesn't like a range. Breakout do not like range. They want a break and a run. Run for your money. A run through the valleys or the mountains. Cool. So let's look at what else do we want to look at. DE30. Let's look at DE30. Maybe all the indices today are ranging. You never know. Let's check DE30. DE30. Usually when one is ranging, the other one will be ranging. This one is not as bad. That is the Asian session. So this one in Asian session, it made good number of pips, right? In fact, you can trade it from Asia to Europe. Okay, you close your sell at Europe. Maybe you enter a buy at Euro, because Euro is a buy. You enter a buy at Euro. You close your trade here, and also this re-entry or retest. Somebody has mentioned a retest. This one is a retest. I see somebody on the Telegram group, they only try a retest. So when you have a breakout here, the person wouldn't go long. It will wait for a retest. Until when you get a retest, then it will go long from here. As well, it sees a retest here, it will go long as well. So this one has been good today for DE30. Okay, who's there? When the box is too big, yes, do not trade. When you see too big size, don't trade. And when you see a too small size, let's say 5 pips or something, also don't trade. Just judge it historically. Look at the size you've been getting the last 2 weeks, the last 10 days or 15 days. Look at the average size. Let's say the average size is 20 pips. And suddenly you just got 75 pips. Alarm bell. Do not touch. Do not touch. Run away. All right. DAX. Yes. Okay. DAX 30. Yes. So re-entry here at DAX 30. Also re-entry there at DAX 30. So if you do re-entry strategy using the box, that's a great strategy. So that's opportunity one there. Opportunity one there. So in that case, you are not even going to suffer any kind of drawdown, because after re-entry, it goes up. Okay, if you've gone long here, that's fine. You are still going to be okay, but you're going to endure a little bit of drawdown before you move. Okay. Who else is there? What else you want to see? Gold? Silver? Okay, now we are close to gold. So let's look at gold. Now we are close to gold. Oh, I used to like this Australia. Let me check this Australia. Aussie might be good. Look at that. Aussie might actually be good for Asian. All right. Look at Europe there. Right. Let's see. Okay. So very good for here. So if you've gone in here, make good box there. Okay. Right. Give plus to the top line. Is that a re-entry? If it gives pins to the top line, is that a re-entry? Yeah, it's a re-entry, but I always like it to enter the box. I want it to come back into the box before I will go in. So let's check gold. Gold is SAUUSD. That one. Okay, this is gold. This is gold today. Right, so ladies and gentlemen, if you've gone for gold, who has gone for gold today? It will be a great decision if you have gone for gold today, because gold will have produced you with a good harvest. Say if you've gone long right at the close of that second candle, you have what to make TP1, TP2 probably. And also, you know, if you go on this bit here, you still have opportunity to make some money. Anybody want to see anything else? So let's see, what currency pair do we want to check? New Zealand being good. Here you go short, you make TP1. Here you go long, you make TP1, TP2, probably TP3 and 4 and 5. Okay. Somebody mentioned euro dollar. Let's check euro dollar. Euro dollar, where are you? Euro USD. Okay, euro USD. Asian good for euro USD. Europe session not so great, but actually, you know what? It's not too bad. Don't think it's that bad as we are looking at it. So let's analyze that, because you might have a break even and even a successful trade. So let's say we draw our two lines, one there, and you went long after this third candle. The first candle is touching, the second candle is touching, the third candle is not. So let me expand it so you can see. Okay, so this first candle is touching, second is touching, the third is not touching. So we go long after this third candle. At the close of that third candle, well, it doesn't look like we're going to get our TP1, but do we get 10 pips? Because that is the setup for me. If I get 10 pips, then I'll never go to negative, never. Okay, so we got 13 pips there. So from there, it's a break-even game to me, because from there, if I see it start coming down, yes, I will come out from here, because I know in the day there are several opportunities to re-enter the market. So why should I go one chance and then go stop loss? So if I close at break-even, it's as if I just came into the market. So there's loads of opportunity that is going to come my way. So as we said, another opportunity there, right? So if that gives me 10 pips and it reverses on me, I come out break even. Look, immediately I got another chance. But if it gives me 10 pips, I come out break even. So eventually, if you look at it, eventually it's just meandering everywhere. So it hasn't been a real trending market, but you wouldn't lose your money. So try to be conservative when it comes to exiting your position. So when you have hit some 10 pips and you discover that it's going to go back to where you enter the market, exit at break even. Any question? Anybody? Okay, we've done Dutch Mark 30. We've done that already. Which one? GBP card. What's happening with GBP card? We haven't seen that for a while. We haven't actually done it before. Okay, it's great for Europe, and it's also good for Asia. Okay. Any more question? All right, so I've sent you the Telegram group. So the indicator will be posted on Telegram group immediately after this session. The ATR stop indicator will be there, so you guys will go there and download it. Okay. Oh, Mexico. That is MXN. Where is it? Where is MXN? Oh, there we go. MXN. Mexico. Where are you? This is Mexico. Okay. All right, let's see what happened to Mexico today. Okay, so this is Mexico today. Mexico today is all right. Okay, it's good. Not the best, but it's okay. You make money. There we go. So there's opportunity to go long after this candle. You got your TP1 there with no problem. Second time from Europe. Notice something at Europe. The high of the Europe of Asia is the low of Europe. Coincidentally, all right. So they have the same line. You can see that. Okay. So now on Europe session, okay, you are tricked into a trade here, which will have, if you've gone to a trade here, it could have stopped you out and probably gone to another trade. So it wasn't that great today for Mexico. But if you wait long enough, you are going to claw back some of the losses from this trade here. Anyone else? Oh, we've seen JP225 already. GJ. Okay, let's say GJ. GJ. Where is GJ? GBPJ. There we go. GBP Japanese. Is it today? Oh, wow. That one is good. That one is good, you know. So if you actually trade both sessions, sometimes it's a triple or double money for you. And if you like, throw in the American session. Okay, just want to kill the market, right? Kill Mr. Broker and throw in the American session as well. Okay, so American session, let's put the color of American session to something like let's just put it there, whatever it is. Okay, let's say that's the American session there. So American session is very close to Europe. Yeah, so here on Europe, on Asia, you flog them. Europe, you flog them. America, you flog them. You flog them hard, seriously hard. All right, let me change this color. Well, we'll put it at maybe green. Maybe it's gonna show you the same thing. I don't like that color. Let's go up. Let's go up and look for something around here. Okay. All right, we'll leave it there. Okay, we'll leave it there. Okay, so now who wants to see something else? XAUUSD. We've done that. XAUUSD. We've done that. That's gold, isn't it? Yeah, we've done gold. We've done GBP JPY. That's what we are doing now. GBP JPY. So this is Europe session. It's very good. American session. This is Asian session. I've just changed it. I'll change back to green. Okay, so this is Asian session, which is very good. Europe session, brilliant. And America, brilliant. Excellent. Thank you so much, everybody, today. I think it's been great. We had a good time today. So Telegram channel, go there and join. And as I said earlier, maybe the last week, I'm coming up with the mentorship program. So a lot of you are already getting ready for it. So it's going to be very shortly, actually in weeks, no longer in months. It's going to be in weeks. I've shown you the website already, and it's going to be a very good offer for all of you, because I know you've been waiting for so many times, so much time for this. So I will make sure that everyone got the chance to get in there. So when you get in there, you you will know what Forex is all about. So thank you so much. Can I use this strategy for stock markets when use session opens? Yes. You can see that we have applied it to Dutch mark, right? So all these guys here, they are all stock market. This is Australians 200. As you can see, look at the box for that. Good. This is Dutch mark, German market. See that? That's Dutch mark. F40, that is France. Look at that. Great for France as well. Look at that. This is Espanol. This is Spain. This is the box for Spain. You can see that the box is fantastic for Spain as well. I don't like this gap though. This is Hong Kong market. Look at that. Hong Kong market. See, that's a great entry there. That's a great entry there. Italian market. This is Italian market. Great for Europe here and America. This is, we've seen Japanese yen market, Japanese market. This is our own market here. This is our UK market. So what's happening to me? I said everything about other people's market. I didn't say about UK market. All right, so this is UK market. It's good for the UK market. StockX. This is, it's all right. It's good. And this is US 30 for it. Excellent. US 500 looks great. US 200 look fantastic, as you can see. Finally, US Tech is there. Great entries, great entries. You know what? This one will give you plenty of dollar. You can see that, plenty of dollar it will give you. And finally, China 50. Okay, China is not bad too. So you got to test all of this out. You got to test them out and see which one is consistent. So you want to make sure you go for the one that seems to be consistent a lot. So you back test them, look for their consistency, and go for it. Okay. South Africa. Yokulilele Africa. I wouldn't forget South Africa, man. Let's go South Africa. USD ZAR. Where are you? USD ZAR. I'll type you out. If you refuse to come out, USD ZAR. Where are you? Oh, it's out. It's out. I fished it out. Yes, tabag. Let's look at this South Africa market. This is USD ZAR. Yeah, very good for it as well. You can see you pick up the high here, you pick up the almost the high here. Here you pick up the low. This box is too big, so you avoid that box. This box is fine. You pick up the low here, you go down. This box is good. Go sell. That box is in the middle. That box is also in the middle. That box is good. You can go short from there. Up to now is going down. So currently, $1 is 16.67 South African rand. Okay, it's not bad. Okay, thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen. It's been a pleasure chatting with you today. I hope you had a good time. So if you have not joined the Telegram group, you got to do it now. You got to join the Telegram group. I think last time I showed you the website, the yourtradementor.com website. Okay, so maybe I should show you again today. So the website, which is not yet taking any order from anyone yet. All right, it's not taking any order yet, but it's going to be taking you in very soon. So it is meant for you to come in there and have good education. Okay, it's loaded with the powerful videos, with a lot of training materials, resources, and most importantly, I am there waiting for you. It's a one-to-one session with me. So so you have opportunity to book a lesson with me automatically. You see my calendar every day. You know what I'm doing. I'll open up my calendar. Who get there first? It's first come, first serve. So the calendar is open to every student, and it is you to book it. And once you book it, we are locked into a one-to-one session. Okay, so very soon you got to know about it. So thank you so much, everybody. I hope it was nice chatting with you. I hope you enjoyed it. And I will be speaking to you again shortly if there's no more questions. If there's any questions, I'm still here to answer the questions. Right? So if you have not joined the Telegram group, you must go and join now because of the advantages there. One of the advantages is the session indicator. I no longer send it to people via email. So except you are not aware of the Telegram group. So Telegram group, go and download the session indicator. The ATR stop indicator is going to be uploaded there this night or after this session. As well, the trend indicator, which is the super trend, is already there. So ladies and gentlemen, you got nothing to lose but everything to gain. Thank you once more. I appreciate your time. I know we are a lot of us on the call right now. We are 37 people on the call, which is great. And on the group, you have now close to over 600 people. So, and if you have questions, you can guess that a lot of people are there to help you to answer those questions. So thank you so much. I'll talk to you again very shortly. Good night, good day, goodbye everybody. Take care. It's Dare.